Welcome to Gato. So we went diving to Gato Island in Philippines, and in this video we'll show you the highlights. So हम Philippines में पहले Cebu City गए, from Jakarta to Cebu City, and then from Cebu City we went to Malapascua Island. This was our dive center. It's called Evolution. Someone had recommended it and they were really nice. If you see, like मुझे ऐसे dive centers बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, which are like very open. They have their own beach, a nice restaurant, and a big open area. As you can see, there's enough place to wash your equipment. All the wetsuits are kept there nicely, and it just has a very cute vibe. The day started, of course, with a dive briefing. We had an amazing dive guide. So he's just briefing us about the site, where to enter from, what to expect, etc. This is the boat that we were going on. As you can see, it's a tiny boat. It will take us to that big boat. We came on our main boat, and as you can see, my dive gear is all kept in one place with my name written on it. I have my wetsuit, my fins, my weights, my mask, and of course my dive computer. So we were all getting ready. It took 1 hour to reach to Gato Island, so we were just chilling. So we are off to Gato. We're off to Gato Island. It was almost about to get cancelled, but now it's happening. That little tiny island that you're seeing, that triangle shaped thing, that is Gato Island. So we had to go there. So yeah, the ride was a little bumpy. It was quite choppy, but it was so much fun. This is me just when we were about to reach. I was like geared up and I was washing my mask. That's a little bucket sort of a thing that they had made. So I was just washing my mask there. And we reached. This is tiny Gato Island, and that little hole that you are seeing, that is where we'll enter from. I mean, imagine that. So yeah, we jumped and this was the entry. Oh my god, this was the best part. Like it was literally like we were diving inside the cave. As you can see, it's completely dark, so we all had our torches. It was the first experience for me ever, but it was so much fun, and what an adrenaline rush. And you know, because it's all caves, so you had to like sort of maintain your buoyancy. But we were just following each other and using the torch. It was really adventurous. Like I loved this part, how we entered into the island. We were just now about to enter on the other side, that is towards the open water, and as we entered we saw this huge school of fish, and then it was just magic of underwater life. There was so much diversity. This is a frogfish that we saw. I had never seen a frogfish this big, and actually you will see later in my video that there was an even bigger frogfish that we saw. So yeah, it was amazing. And then yeah, just like so many beautiful colorful fish. The corals were so beautiful. Again, another first for me. Look at this, it's called electric clam. You literally see the lightning inside, and oh my god, I've never seen a cuter stonefish. I mean, just look at that. It is so beautiful. It has like pink lips. And then we saw these two very cute white tip sharks just sitting there chilling, and then one went, but then the other one was chilling. And then we saw something which we weren't ready for. There were these, first we saw these two cuttlefish, okay, and then suddenly there were three cuttlefish, actually two first. As you can see, we figured that maybe the one with this thing hanging from it, probably that was injured, and that's a female cuttlefish, and the other one is sort of a male cuttlefish. I think this is what our dive guide told us. Apparently the male was sort of trying to protect the female fish, the female cuttlefish. Maybe it was attacked or something. That's what it seemed like. So yeah, see, this was amazing. We saw like three cuttlefish together. So apparently one was female and there were two males who were trying to protect the injured female cuttlefish, probably. We saw an octopus too. And of course there was a lot of macro life, but like we saw this nudibranch, as you can see, it's a huge one. So even the macros were really big. And look at this, a huge crab. It's almost spongy. I've never seen anything like this before. This was the cutest fish. It's apparently called a cowfish. Look at it has like two tiny horns and it's almost like a box fish, but it's so cute. And then this was another fish that actually I spotted, and then I showed it to Akash, and it was just like lying there. I don't know which fish exactly it is, but yeah, it just looked very intriguing. And of course we saw this cute pair of lionfish, again just chilling happily. And another cuttlefish paid us a visit. This was a huge one. You will see it was really big and it was there for quite some time. So this was this was towards the end of the dive, but look at the size, it's like big. Another stonefish. This was a little hard to see as they camouflaged themselves. I wouldn't have spotted it. My husband saw it and then he showed it to me. And then another electric clam. Actually, they're also called disco clam. So they have these reflective tissues which emits light like this and looks so cool. This was another tiny fish. I don't know what this is. It was like, but that's what it was about Gato. You could see all these really cool fish which we had never seen before. And like I told you before, this is another huge frog fish. It's so big. It was like so good too, and it was literally moving. saw a seahorse, and this was like quite a big seahorse that we saw. So yeah, that was amazing Gato for us, and then we were coming back, and towards the evening it was just the bestest view ever. You can see the weather, sunset was happening, and we just saw the most magical golden hour.